So if you're looking for pieces to gift your loved ones this season, or even yourself, Ronaldo Cameron is an artist and an illustrator with work inspired by the Caribbean and African diaspora. He joins us now to tell us and to show us all about his process. Ronaldo, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I think it's safe to say your parents were football fans?
No.
No? So where did Ronaldo came from?
My dad is, yeah.
See? Told you. Okay. So how long ago did your love for and your passion for art start?
Since I was born, I've been drawing. It was a way for my mom to like shut me up. She just gave me a pen and a paper and said draw.
Yeah. So it's a natural skill that you went and honed.
Yeah.
You are a recent grad of Otis College of Art and Design in LA. You were in Cali studying. Tell me about that course of study.
It was a really cool opportunity to learn in LA. It's where the animation industry is. So I was taught by a lot of the professionals who worked on a lot of the movies and cartoons I watched growing up. And I studied animation, and that's where I got my BFA.
Yeah. Are you back in Jamaica now?
Yes.
Right, but I'm sure there were tons of opportunities in LA.
No, yeah. Right after I graduated, I got to work at Warner Brothers.
Yes, so I read. So before you left for LA, what had you done? Had you studied here, or did you do everything there?
Oh no, I left Campion to go to college abroad.
Okay, and so you had a chance to look firsthand at the industry there.
Yes.
Tell me where you think the industry is here, because I know gains are being made. What is the viability of a career like yours, having come back home?
It's still developing. I feel like the industry is, it's a process here. And I'm looking to be a part of it and help it.
Help it along, yeah. And so tell me about that stint with Warner. What did you do? How did you do it?
On a kid series. So I was a character designer, so I helped like draw the characters in different poses. I was working as a design apprentice as well, so I got to color props and things like that.
Okay. I read here that you say, is that your work that we're looking at?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. I read that you're passionate about narrative concept development. What is that?
Developing stories and like TV shows, movies, telling the stories that like I grew up hearing and from the perspective that I have and the people around me have.
And tell me about the Caribbean and African diaspora influence, which I see coming out very clearly in your work.
Oh yeah, a lot of the people I draw are just the people that I grew up seeing. So I put a heavy emphasis on drawing Black people and yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so where are you now? You've come home. What's happening with you now?
Not much, I'm still freelancing as an illustrator. So I get work where I can. And I'm looking to work on my own personal projects.
Mm-hmm. What's the ultimate aim, Ronaldo?
I want to be an art director. So I want to continue to help develop stories for TV, movie, video games, comic books. I just like designing and storytelling.
Yeah, and are there any projects in the works? I mean, folks like you who do this, right, usually have like a folder sitting down somewhere with 100 concepts that are yet to be, live and yet to go to market. So are you one of those people?
Not like a folder full. I have like 2 that I'm working on right now. And with a group of friends, I like putting together teams and seeing where people can help me and stretch the concept.
Mm-hmm. And so for now, are you selling your work? Are you offering your work for purchase? Are you commercially offering your pieces at this point?
I am in the process of figuring that out, yes.
Of figuring it out, or of?
I am, yeah.
I'm not sure if I got the answer, Ronaldo. You are, or you're not, or you're about to?
I'm about to.
Okay, because, there are people who are going to be watching this morning who are seeing some of the images and saying, wow, those are fantastic. I'd love to see that on my wall, So we want to know if that's something that we can look forward to from you.
Oh, definitely, yes.
But you also have some goals to branch out into different forms of design.
Oh, yeah. Since I've come back home, I'm taking to like another freshman year. So I'm teaching myself other skills like furniture design, fashion design. I want to see how far my design skills can go.
Furniture design.
Yes.
Talk to me a little bit about that. I can see the Caribbean influence and the African diaspora influence translated into clothing. I see it in your artwork. How would it influence your furniture design? And why furniture design?
I just like design. I like all aspects of design. Just like with working with clothing, you look at fabrics and silhouettes. You can bring those to furniture as well.
Gotcha. Okay.
Style.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So if there are folks watching now who want to get in touch with you because they've seen the images we've put up on screen and they want to get in touch with you either for a project or whatever else, how do we do that?
You can reach me at my website, ronaldocameron.com, and also my Instagram at ronaldocameron.
And do you have any hopes of further study, Ronaldo?
Not right now, but
okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So it's ronaldocameron.com if you want to get in touch with him. You've seen his artwork on our screen, a very, very talented young Jamaican man who is clearly going to great places after having studied in LA and worked alongside, gotten some good experience with some of the best in the business. So a bright future ahead for you, Ronaldo. Thank you for stopping in, talking to us this morning.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Yes, okay. Not much of a talker, but the gift is in his hands. Artist and illustrator Ronaldo Cameron with a few pieces to add under the tree this season. But hopefully it is a makeshift tree because after the break we meet the young woman vying for a no-cut Christmas this season.